Hello and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys this planner here. This is actually a planner that I made using some rings that I got off of Amazon. I'll show you what the box looks like for that. And it's a Stationery Life ring binder mechanism. And they sell them in gold, rose gold, silver, whatever you want. But I just thought, let me try to do this myself. I'm not a professional, but I just wanted something new, and I didn't want to fork over, $150 on, like a new Foxy Fix or, try to get something and wait a month. I just kind of wanted to do something now. So I got this leather from the leather guy. And my inspiration was really just the Simply Gilded box. And I was really trying to find a leather like this. But it's really hard to shop for colors online because you never know what color you're actually going to get. So tried to find this color, couldn't find it. And so I ended up with something like this, which is still pretty. But I really wanted to do a cheetah inspired print with kind of like a corally pink. So I just wanted to show you that, and I put like a green elastic because of the tropical vibe that it has right there. And don't look close, like the stitching is not perfect, but I really just wanted to do something that was just fun and new without having to spend like a ton of money here. This is my opening dash. And I'm still using this girl in this setup. This is from the Planner Press. And for any of you that follow me on Instagram, I now have a coupon code if you ever like to sign up for the digital dash. And it is DD Love Extra Attention 10, and you'll get 10% off your first month. So just to throw that out there. This was the August kit for the digital dash, and I used some vellum and made this into a pocket. I haven't put anything in there yet. There's some of my Ollie clips, but I've just been mixing the Disney and the tropical together. I don't know if that really goes, but I thought it was cute. It's kind of like just brought together in by color more than anything. These are my monthlies. And I'm back in personal, by the way. The personal wide, I love, love, love. And I always say this whenever I try a new setup. I love it, but it's just not a convenient size for me to take around. This is my August, where I actually used the kit. And I just love how that turned out. This is more from the digital dash. Here you get the cutting files to do, if you have a cutter, it comes with the cutting file. So I have a few of those from the set. This is my own personal layout that I did on Word. If you like this, you can message me and send me your email, and I will send you a copy of this. I just like that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, go across at the top, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, instead of going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And you all know my rant about that. This is this week, and I just love how it turned out. This was some leftover leather, and I made into a clip. I love supporting shops, but honestly, if I can do it myself, I will do it myself. And there should not be anything wrong with that. If you want to make something yourself for your own planner, that's what it's all about, is being resourceful. Here is more stuff. I've got some Post-its here. So I've got the leopard, the pink, the tropical, but I still feel like it works. And more dashboard dividers. This I also trimmed down to fit. I had that in my last setup. Birthdays, future planning. My daughter's days off, and then orange is actually her competitions because it's competition season, so I like to have that as well. Tropical Disney Pink Mermaid. Oh, did I say mermaid? Yeah, there's no mermaid in this. Well, actually, no, I'm lying. I do have a mermaid moment and everything, like right there. This is like a cutout I had a while back. And these lists, I cannot believe that those are also included, because usually, you know, you have to pay like $3 or $4 for like a printable on Annie Plants printables, but with the Digital Dash, it came this month included with the monthly kit. I mean, that in itself pays for it. This are the Post-its, because I just love this color scheme of the pink and the tropical, and like, you know, I can understand if people want to hoard that Post-it, you know. Here I'm super proud of this. I made a one of those dashboards that everybody is in love with. And actually, maybe I'll take like a picture of this and put it on my Instagram, because it turned out super duper cute. And I put a little palm tree there. And then I used these top hollow Mickey stickers as tabs, but I really wish I had brought them down a little bit. I still have more, so maybe I'll do that on the next one. Contacts. This is also like an old cheetah leopard from a couple months ago, and I still haven't put a label there. This is notes. This I also cut down from my personal wide. This I just stuck some Leah balloons on top of that. This I made using some scrap hollow fabric that I had when I cut down a planner. This is my brother's wedding planning. So we're just like, you know, just like little things I have to do as matron of honor. This is a little clear pocket that I made. More of that. This is holding Post-its. That's like a flap that flaps out. That's like an old thing that I did on my cutter. I love these pockets. I just fill them with completely useless stuff, just purely decorative. I mean, we're all guilty of that. And I love looking at all the layers. Little mini photo album there. And another back pocket that has more washi strips from the Digital Dash. And I mean to print a picture of me and my daughter wearing some Mickey ears. And that's it. I don't even have anything in the back pocket. This pen here is from Disneyland, actually. And I love it. It's a ballpoint pen, so it's not a gel pen. But I'm sure you could replace it with like a gel pen. But I just thought it went really well. And I'm only going to be in this for a couple more weeks. I've been in it for almost a month. And I just can't wait for like Halloween stuff. But I think I'm going to do something different this year. I'm going to do like pastel Halloween. So I want to show you the planner that I'm going to be using next. So here where I live, we have a 50s diner called Lumpy's. And the servers carry like their checkbooks. Not checkbooks, but like, you know, they're like order pad in like these really pretty like vinyl things. And I asked them like where they got it made, and found the lady's contact information, and she actually made me a purse, a matching wallet, and a little checkbook cover. And so I just thought, oh my gosh, I really need a planner to go with this. So if you guys follow Cardinal Planners on Instagram or Magpie Soul, I have been stalking their Instagram accounts for a while, and now they are making rings. So they made me this one, which I can't wait to try. And so this is going to be my September-October setup. But look at how great these pockets look. They're wavy. And they have this white iridescent, and you can pick your fabrics. And it's just so well done. And it's just going to go so perfect in this bag of mine. So that is going to be my next setup. So stay tuned for that. Oh, I'm so excited. And my theme is going to be pastel Halloween. So it's all going to be baby pink ghosts and like little teal bats. It's just going to be adorable, and I'll do some resin clips for that too. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.